A very warm welcome to this, the first film in our Windows series. In it, we ask why it is that we build windows. According to an old German folktale, upon completing the construction of their new town hall, the burghers of Schilda were surprised to find that it was pitch black inside. Having forgotten to build any windows, they decided to bring in the light they needed in barrels. One of the window's most important functions is clearly to let daylight in, as you can see at our workshop building on Lake Zwenkau here. Windows that let the light in also allow us to see out, though this only works when it's light outside. This is the reason that windows often appear dark from the outside when there is no light on inside the building. Shop windows deal with this problem by providing strong lighting to showcase their window displays. Windows can be opened to exchange stale air inside for fresh air from outside. This method of ventilating space simply by opening windows is known as natural ventilation. The alternative, mechanical ventilation, uses ventilation and air conditioning plant such as you might find in a university lecture hall, for example. If windows can be opened, then things can also be passed in through them from the outside. This photograph shows Germany's most famous snack bar, Eddy's Durst and Wurst Express, in our hometown of Witten. It has no set opening times. Customers simply come along when they see that the window through which Edmund August Berkenberg serves his delicacies is open. Sometimes, however, the aim is reversed, to separate people with a window that does not open. This is generally to provide protection, as at a ticket counter or cash desk, for example. This photograph shows one such counter at Vienna's famous Postal Savings Bank building designed by the architect Otto Wagner. Windows are highly complex, not least because of the various different functions they have to perform. The devil really is in the detail. This no doubt explains the establishment in 1966 of Germany's Rosenheim Institute for Window Technology, now one of the world's leading window testing laboratories. The work carried on at Rosenheim IFT includes the calibration, testing and certification of windows, including special commissions such as outsized glazed doors, for example. Summary: windows are highly complex because of the various different functions they have to perform. One of their most important functions is to let daylight into buildings. They also allow us to see outside and so create a connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Some windows can be opened to exchange stale air inside for fresh air from outside. This is known as natural ventilation. Why not move straight on to the second film in our Windows series? In it, we look at some of the most common types of window.